It's a great truck. It's exactly what I wanted. It just looks just like the other one, and we bought exactly the same product. I got exactly what I expected, you know, and it's a good product, man. Became the EMS director in Dublin about 4.5 years ago, and when I got there, they had just taken delivery of a new 2019 Frazer, and so I kind of inherited the Frazer when I got there. And when we got ready to replace our backup truck, we started shopping around. We formed a truck committee. We looked at everybody's product, and we immediately came right back to the Frazer. It is what it is. It's a tank. It's a simple truck. It's easy to work on when something does go wrong, which we've had zero problems with our Frazer we have right now, and it gets abused in a rural setting like it does. But there's no complicated electronics, which that's for some people. It just wasn't going to be for us. It's just a good product. There was no reason to not come back to Frazer. What I like about the Frazer is, like I talked about a while ago, the simplicity. If this switch goes out, I can go to the auto parts store next door and buy this switch and fix it. I don't have a computer touchpad that I have to order and wait months for it to come in, and doesn't put me out of service. It's just, they're built like a tank. They're just a great truck. Pricing was a big concern for us. We're a small rural community. We don't have money to throw away. We really had to be conservative with the city's money and what we were purchasing. Right, we want to get the most bang for the buck, and we absolutely got that when we looked at pricing from competitors and everybody else. This was far and away a better deal. And already having a Frazer, we knew what the product was we were getting, so we knew what we were getting for our money. So that made it an easy choice for us to go that way. I'm on truck committees, and we build these multi-million-dollar fire trucks that takes months and months of reading lines of specs and all this stuff, and this was simple. It was just a matter of, hey, I want exactly the same thing we had before, and they delivered exactly the same thing. We made a couple of little tweaks, and super simple. I mean, I've spent maybe 10 minutes on the phone building this truck. It's a solid built product. It's great customer service. People at Frazer would encourage the same thing. Go out and look at other people's product and look at what you're looking for. Are you looking for crazy push button, all this crazy electronic stuff? Or are you looking for like a dependable workhorse that's going to get the job done every single day, starts, runs, does what you want to do when you want it to do it? And I guarantee you're going to come back and look at a Frazer.